right, here's another like definition one. So if a vector has its initial point at the origin, it's in standard position. So thinking back to the unit circle, you guys were all looking at things in standard position, starting here and then ending. So we're kind of going in that range. If you look over here on this diagram on the right, you can see that it shows direction of your vector, it shows length, and it shows degrees, which is your direction. Okay, so we have the length of the line segment, and the length of the line segment is called the magnitude in vector world. So the length of your line segment represents and is proportionate, so it means it's the same thing for the magnitude of your vector. So if the scale for this A is 1 centimeter equals 5 feet per second, since this is 2.6 centimeters, so we're going to multiply it by 5, and so this vector is going to show it to be 13 feet per second. You guys will need to make sure to get a protractor and a ruler if you don't have one. You guys can estimate for now, but make sure to get over to the school. Let me know that you're coming for one. I've got a class set. If you're in class, obviously you'll get it, but if you guys are doing this at home, you will get this from home and then come to school and then do your homework. All right.